Turo car rental business is one of the best ways if you're a new entrepreneur and you want to get your feet wet and practice on how to actually run an effective business. Because first, it's low barrier to entry. You don't need much capital to enter the Turo platform. You can make a lot of money, and even if you didn't put much money into the Turo business, for example, it's usually based off you what you already have. So if you already have a car that's sitting there in the driveway, that's one of the best ways to utilize Turo. And if you want to go further, like I own 22 cars, you want to start renting cars on Turo and start really making a lot of money, you can do that too. But it has a real low barrier to entry. You don't have to own 100 cars to start. You can have one car, one simple car, put it on 1 or 2 days per week, and voila, you're in business. So if you're trying to figure out a business to actually get your feet wet, but you don't want to put too much capital into it, you also don't want to build up your anxiety and think, oh man, I want to invest all this large amount of capital and lose it. Consider Turo. Get your feet wet. And the cool thing about Turo, it gives you experience for other businesses because it teaches you how to count your expenses, teaches you about taxes, teaches you about profit and loss, depreciation, inflation by depreciation, a lot of different math models you can use. And it's just a really great way to start practicing. I'd highly even recommend this if you're a parent and you want to teach your kids, say there's maybe 18 years old, you could put your own car on there and show them. So by the time they turn 18 or 19, they can start renting their car on Turo. It's something that you can actually introduce to your family. So I would highly recommend that. That's my personal opinion about Turo rental car. It's a great way to earn income, and it's low barrier to entry, and you can always stop. You don't sign any crazy contracts or nothing. If you want to stop, you stop whenever you want. It's pretty chill. So that's about it. Anyways, love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Conrad Layn out.